70 Corvette ZR1, one of only 25 ever produced. ZR1 350, one of 25 produced, 33,000 miles. A 1962 Chevy Corvette convertible with a 427. No, not a 427. Seeing if you were listening, because they all had 427s. This didn't come with a 427. They didn't even have 427s. This is a 62 short Chevy Corvette with a 327. 327, 340 horsepower V8. All right, guys. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. How you doing, everybody? We are still at the Mecum auction. We are in one of the buildings that we just came into. And this is full of beautiful National Corvette Registry cars, gold certified cars from the National Corvette Registry.
Some gold crayons.
So just beautiful.
72. Automatic. Yeah.
24,539 miles actual. These are catalog cars, which these things are all going to be sold. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, we're at the Mecum Auto Auction, and it is January 2025. They always have some kind of special displays here, and so we are going to check this out. This is the split window Colorama 2 collection. So this is the Corvette split window, 63 Corvette split windows. They were the only ones that had a split window, and we're just going to walk around here and see all the different colors. So there's the silver one with black interior. Here is a black one. These are all gold certified with a tan interior. Here's a beautiful gold. This is one of only 278 with air conditioning. And this is, what color is this? This is Batty? I don't even know. Here's a red with red. Another red with red, but this was born Daytona blue with a red interior. God, I don't know who would have that idea. Factory AC, one of 278, white with black interior. And here's another red with red interior. And then we've had some of these on our channel. I'm not a fan, but I'll show you guys. So this is one of those strange anniversary editions that came out, that kind of the wide body came out. What year? I think it was what was it?
That car? Yeah.
This is the 2008 63 Corvette Carl Custom Split Window Coupe. We've had a couple of these on the channel, guys. I am not a fan of these. There's always one or two here every year. Some people like them. I just don't. But you know what? everybody to their own. So, but I show it because not everything I like's got to be on my channel. All right, guys. 72 Chevy Corvette LS5 Coupe. Numbers matching LS5, 454 cubic inch, 270 horsepower, V8 automatic, factory air. 1966 Chevy Corvette Coupe, L72 427. 67 Chevy Corvette convertible with a 427. A 69 Chevy Corvette convertible with a 427. A 1962 Chevy Corvette convertible with a 427. No, not a 427. Seeing if you were listening, because they all had 427s. This didn't come with a 427. They didn't even have 427s. This is a 62 short Chevy Corvette with a 327. 327, 340 horsepower V8. All right, guys. We have a couple Corvettes here. It's Fuelie here. '62 Chevy Corvette convertible. Check it out, Fuelie. Fuel injected 327, 360 horsepower. Bloomington Gold car. No reserve. Here's another no reserve car. .427 '66 Corvette Coupe. And another Corvette right here, which is a '67 Corvette convertible with the hard top and Bloomington Gold as well, with a a 6-pack, 3x2. Yeah, it's got a 6-pack on. All right, guys. Hey, check out all our videos. So if we go down, we've got a 1953 Corvette Roadster, first year. Still has the 235 Blue Flame 6. It's one of only 300 produced. This is an original. It's 1953. They came in any color as long as it was white. This was a white with a red interior with the Blue Flame 6. The only 6-cylinder Corvette right there. Then there's a beautiful blue 54 Corvette Roadster. This also has the 235 Blue Flame 6. Yeah, you caught me. This is a 54 with also the 6-cylinder. Same body style, but these two first generations had the 6 cylinders in them, and then after that they went to V8s. So yes, there is a 6-cylinder Corvette out there, but they are very, very difficult to find in any kind of good condition. All right, we have a beautiful red and white. I believe this is a 55. It is a 55 265 cubic inch V8, one of only 700 produced. This is a National Top Flight Award winner. It's a carbureted version. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Out of this, a 1956 Chevy Corvette convertible, 265, 225 horsepower V8, 3-speed. Another National Top Flight Award winner. No reserve car. This is black with the gray insert, red interior. We have this gorgeous bronze with white insert, fuel injected 57 Chevy Corvette convertible right here. Fuel injected 283, automatic, triple crown recipient. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. 58 Chevy Corvette convertible, fuel injected, 283, 290 horsepower, V8, Top Flight Award winner. In this beautiful giant yellow bird, big bird type color with a white insert over here. Only has 48,000 miles, black seats, black steering wheel with the hard top. Here's a beautiful red and white with red on red interior, fuel injected car. 1961 Chevy Corvette convertible, fuel injected, 283, 4-speed, a National Top Flight Award winner. So this is all from the Double G collection. They are selling a lot of Corvettes here today. As you can see, there's the Double G collection right there. They have a couple cars. They've got Corvettes, they got Mercedes, they got all kinds of stuff. Here is a 63 Chevy Corvette split window coupe. Yes, a real split window coupe from the Double G collection. Fuel injected, 327, 4-speed, Top Flight Award winner. Silver with black interior. What a beautiful car. Even has power windows. Check that out. Here's a 64. Notice split window, not split window Corvette. Now, a lot of the people that bought the split windows in 63 would actually cut the spine out and install a 64 on their 63, because these things have terrible rear view in the mirror. So what they would do is they would take a 64 window and put it in a 63. So, but beautiful gold exterior, camel interior, fuel injected 64 Chevy Coupe, fuel injected, 327. Here's a 66 Chevy Corvette convertible with the big block 427, 425 horse, 4-speed, Top Flight winner. Again, all these are going no reserve. That doesn't mean you're going to be able to get them cheap. It just means they're going to have no reserve. Beautiful black on the inside and a bluish gray on the outside. Absolutely stunning. Here is a black, and is that a brown interior? Nope, black interior, white seats. And this is a 67 Chevy Corvette convertible, L79, 327, 350 horsepower, 4-speed, one of only 1,553 factory air-equipped convertibles for 67. Again, part of the Double G collection. Was this 69? Yeah, 69 L88 convertible, 427 L88 convertible. 6,464 miles, one of only 116, Bloomington Gold. And this is a 64? 67 L89 coupe, one of only 16 produced, Bloomington Gold. 6-pack on the top of the hood. 427 or trips, whatever you want to call it, 6-pack or trips, either way. Another 427. 67 Corvette L88, one of only 20 produced. Dontel Mark of Excellence, Triple Crown or Triple Diamond certified. Beautiful cars. Beautiful, beautiful cars. Another 427 C3. Yeah, 68 Chevy Corvette L89, one of 624 produced, unrestored, 13,000 miles. Super pretty. And 63 split window. So, little known fact to you who haven't watched the channel that much, that there's more 63 split windows on the road than there was ever created, because everybody took the 64s and put the 63 windows in the back with the spine to make them seem to be worth more. Which is odd, because back in 64 People cut the spine out of a 63 because you couldn't see out the back of a 63. So there you go. History is kind of repeating itself in an upside down way. 67 Chevy Corvette convertible 427. So now, on a lot of Corvettes, you'll see the shielding over the sparkulator there. Why is there shielding over that? Well, because it's a fiberglass car, it prevents interference to the radio. Here's another 70 Chevy Corvette convertible 454. Beautiful car. Nice. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.